Need some water, boy. My feet burning.
What's all in here? Gatorade?
Gatorade water. Good catch though, twin. Hey, good catch, Cody.
Hey, you may want to pull that out.
No, I'm finna get some water. You ain't ready.
30-15, let's go. You gotta go right here.
It's so hot.
But that dude hit me like my tongue burning.
7 p.m. Someone that hit you?
Yes. Damn. What you talking about? Coach.
Hey, jump it right.
Run outside shoulder, my dude. No use right here. We mic'd up, what you gotta say? Coach Taylor? We mic'd up, what you gotta say?
Best in the world, Craig.
Good shit.
He mic'd up. Yo.
Just a big guy.
Hey, best receiver coach in the country. Get at him. Best receiver in the country. I'm one in the nation. Now my feet just burning. Let me hit one of y'all water, twin. Huh?
We on the mic.
See you watch.
That's up.
Who? Oh, no.
Still, you gotta go stupid now. Hey, that's no me.
I called that play.
I know, I heard you.
I told him.
So you on Cederian Morgan.
Keon Coleman, give it to me. On the first go ball, he threw the back shoulder, I killed him. So I said, he put it up. This my.
What was your mindset when you saw the ball right here?
Can't nobody out jump me.
That ball be sleeping.
I was gonna get him, hit me here a little bit. Told him. Uno. I lost my jersey.
I'm gonna need that call back.
My boy K-Rob in the cut.
Hey, right here.
Yeah. Let's go, D.
Hey, make sure you put this in the video. Bed duo, class 26.
Class 26, bed duo in the state. Stroud. Yes, sir, low.
Bed duo, class 26.
That's it, you know.
Then we got me,
We going
27.
27 right here.
But, you know,
Putting D-boy through hell this year. Think we over with? No. I'm done. Done for the day. We got another one back. We got 2 more back to back. We going to the hotel.
You mic'd up?
Yeah.
What up?
Boy, Rod low in the cut. Yes, sir, low. Yes, sir, low. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, low. Yes, sir, low. Yes, sir, low. Yes, sir.
Knock it off. Let's go.
Yo. Huh, yeah. Ain't so you gonna leave me hanging?
That's how you bounce back. All right?
What you got to say? What you got to say?
Hey, y'all. We ain't losing no more.
You're not losing no more.
We finna kick ass the rest of the day.
You know, baby J. Fast dude.
man in the state.
Fast man in the state. 26 right there.
We got the best DB core out of the bit.
Easily.
He's from Florida.
You know, huh? Lit up.
Hey, let me get in, bro.
My freshman right here, my twin, my son. Son right here. You know, what about the game?
Nah, about to say head top, man.
Oh yeah, I told him, cause you know the play before that he threw the back shoulder. I had him beat, and I was like, Coach. He seen he was tired. I said, Coach, throw it up, give me a chance. That ball in the air, my mindset, my ball. Can't nobody out-jump me out here. My ball. Every time. Yeah, every time. Did something like that last for myself. Every time. It's a ball in the air, it's my ball. You know, I gotta go get it. Every time.
Every time. Because there's
Money on the line every time. Drop the ball, you lose money.
Every time.
That's how it is. And I'm a quarterback, gonna put that thing on the money every time. You know, I ain't tripping though. QB1. Tell them to throw it up. Tell them to throw it up, we throw it up. Yeah. You try to catch that more like this. You would have put him up though, you would have had it.
Dude, he just called a slice. Jacob said he thought that means sending a running back in motion.
Jacob be playing. Fastest man in the state right here. Class 26, my boy Baby J.
Look, what you run?
10-5.
25.
Look, I was thinking.
He ran that in the 9th grade.
I was thinking back shoulder. Until I got
But that
right
40
here.
is what that is? 4.340, that boy is rolling.
Might come up tomorrow?
Like more tomorrow. We both might though. You know.
That net game.
I was thinking over the shoulder. Till I got
Yeah,
right
but
here,
hey,
he was right up on me. And
so
I had
you
to
gotta
jump,
go.
So I should have turned right here.
Yeah.
Had it.
Gotta coach up the young boy, you know. The boy look up to him. I can't do the wrong thing.
Let the people know where you're from, man.
Oh, Benjamin Russell, you know, born and raised at Alexander City, Alabama, you know. Lit 4-star, number one receiver in Alabama, 4th in the country, really 2nd in the country, but they gotta fish that. They gotta be 20th overall. Gotta fish that too, but I ain't tripping. I don't let it get to me. You know. A blessing. You know, I really had one of the craziest stories. When the spring started, I had 4 offers. After that, I picked up 14. So like I was like 4th in the country. I was 4th in the country with Alabama State, Indiana, UCF, and Troy. So I ain't had offers to match that. So my stuff blew up. Picked up the Ohio States, the Bamas, the Oregons, Florida States, Tennessee, Kentucky. I picked up all. I'm at 18 right now. But going into my junior year, my freshman year, you know, broke my ankle. So I ain't get to play. I played 4 games. I ain't get to play too much. But I'm telling you, yeah, grind, stay on the grind. So that's all that matter. Good D, y'all boys. Well, I locate. This man so flitty, dude. We got turf burn.
Hey, man, yo. Shit hurt so bad.
You gotta start getting out your
Yeah, I got you.
Hold on, it hurt, bro.
Yeah, that feet burning.
It won't come on.
Rallo. That's a clown right there. That boy is a clown. Let's go. Let's go, Carson. Let's go, Carson. Let's go, Carson. Yes, sir. Just fastest freshman right here. Little Cody. That was scared of the camera.
Let them know your name. Cody.
He's so scared. This the shiftiest one, the 27. That boy injured right now. He would be starting at 8. That boy knee messed up. Look at that. Let's go. LaVelle! Hey! Yeah! Oh, they ain't counted. Oh, they so lame.
They did. Oh, no, they didn't.
Bro, gotta shake it
But
up.
this shit burn.
Good game, y'all. Hey, good cat, LaVelle.
Early beat on caught some.
You know. Finna head across, you know, get money. Oh. Hey, man. I can't spit my game. Can't spit my game. You can go do it for me, though. Yeah, I'll stay on. I'm good.
Hey, let me get. Nah.
Hey, good, bro. I like that. Good. Hey, let's go. Hey, they get a stop, we get a stop. Let's go. Hey, all the way. Sit down.
Ooh.
That's a great catch.
Burning now, boy.
Burning, bro. Hey, Cody going in, Cody.
Hey, feeling right?
But ain't nothing wrong with you. Ain't nothing wrong with you. Ain't nothing wrong with you.
Where you going?
Yeah, man. We need to be grabbing our face and shit. Cause like, it been happening all day.
I tell you that.
See what you got? Stay out here so we can throw you the whole shot. Go down.
Man, we ran that all day.
Hey. Yo.
This baby, all right? Tell him what y'all
I just told him. Hey, look. Anytime, what spot you at? You heard me?
Hey, that's how you break.
Boy, stop playing with me, that ass, nigga. Quit fucking playing with me, man. Quit playing with me, man. Let's go, man. I do this shit. Let's go. What you talking about?
Stop the right. Don't want to run short.
Odds, what you want?
Short.
LP?
Yeah, Jack is next to me.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
A good catch.
Oh, man, shit. Oh, man, shit. Let's go.
Let me get some, coach. Oh, God.
Yeah, he him. Real fast.
Not 4, not 3, not 2, but 5.
Real human. Come on.
You a different guy. Hey, they jogging. They on.
Oh, wait! What? He on the hill.
Mr. Real. That's a bang, bang. Hey, bang, Jay. Hey, look. Next play, right? Next play. Let's go.
What? Hey, get a pick right here, y'all. Throw it again.
Hey, they trying to run that wheel.
Watch the wheel.
Now Landon, don't get in with
Come on, let's go. Give me a pick, D. Let's go. Oh my, 5. Let's go. Hey, this third right here, ain't it? Hey, this third. Oh, the shake. Oh yeah, the PI.
Should be.
Who got him?
Lodge.
Huh? Oh, yo.
Hey, get off his feet.
Hey, two tapper. No, hey, Rilo.
Yeah. Told you, balling out is my ball. My ball. Come on, give me a pick, D. Give me a pick, D. Let's go, Rilo.
If you can't back up, take you out.
Go, Noni.
Hey, go.
Let's go.
Hey, that's the start. That's short. That's the start. Oh, that's second.
Whoa, that's second.
I know.
Go, he said it's third.
Let's go.
Hey, game. We gotta stop his game. We gotta stop his game. It's game. We gotta stop his game. We get to stop his game. I'm telling you.
I can't. Get my spot. I can't get in. I wish I could.
What happened to you?
Get this stop his game.
Let's go, D. Go, D.
Hey, back up. Play from depth.
Let's go. My mama, that's game, ain't it? That's game.
Hey, get here. Hey, come here.
Say twin. Say twin.
Hey, good job. Hey, shake him up, y'all. Good job. Shake him up, shake him up.
Game. That's game. That's game. Let's see one signing out. You know, have a good day. 2 and 3. I'll catch y'all boy tomorrow for the championships. You know, we're gonna ball out, win that thing. Appreciate y'all.
100%, man. He said, yeah, you do. All right. Yes, sir. So get them with the kids. They can spend time with the kids.